is huge. I mean, they've got like this little kiddie size area that has like these nice fountains. So I'm glad that we're here on a weekday. There's no one here but us, except for this sleeping baby that's on one of the lounge chairs, which is really cute. The best part of this whole thing is Sunken pool bar. What a treat. Lamig!
Ako ano, yung pinakulan.
Saan pinakulan? I am having my favorite rum coke double shot. I just realized that my first meal of the day is 2 shots of Bacardi and a Coke Zero. Chinese restaurant is closed. Fucking hate it. I was craving for salt and pepper, squid or something. I can't think clearly. I am tipsy as hell, but it sucks. The front desk didn't tell us. Now we needed a reservation for it, or that they were gonna be fully booked this evening. I mean, it's a Tuesday. How the hell is it fully booked? Shall we start?
Definitely.
Wala akong makain. Anong buffet ito? Yun na ba talaga yun? There's nothing to eat for me. There's really not a whole lot to choose from. At least the sashimi tastes good. It's fresh. This curry is really good. Nabuhayan ako. Despite the lack of options.
Sarap. Very good. 8?
Looks like a buffet. Tamis? Oh, they fucked up the Caesar dressing. Prawn taste test. Oh, hindi siya na-overcooked. Almost. So on the brink of getting overcooked. This plastic igloo. 10,000. 10,000 for a full course meal. You guys are looking for date ideas, dinner date. Might want to check this out. It's a bit pricey, but I don't know, to each his own. My plans have been derailed. I'm supposed to go to the bar, to their, they have like a whiskey bar here.
You said you were gonna drink.
Wala eh. Closed. The bar is closed. Why do bloggers seem to always have something to say and I don't? I think that's just a reflection on how stupid I am, because I am a fucking idiot. Hey guys, let me show you around our room.
Protocol po, we're not allowed to enter.
Okay.
So just gonna need your signature na lang, sir. And the proxy ni Gampa po. So anything else I can help you with po?
Okay.
Absolutely po.
So room service is finally here. Gutom na kami ulit kasi walang kwenta yung kinain namin kanina. Sobrang konti.
lang. Teka, hindi ko pa pala nakikita na check yung cases.
I just finished watching the Castle of Cagliostro. It's getting late, and I need to wake up at 7 for breakfast, and then that's in 5 hours. Breakfast ka ba? Pretty good. Most of their selections are Filipino food, which I know if a lot of foreigners would appreciate. You got an egg station, they've got salads, they've got a pancake station, they have sushi probably from last night compared to other buffet at their price range. It's pretty tasty, pretty tasty. Tulala ka dyan.
Nantok pa.
We're here at the Madisson Bar and Lounge. This is the only place they serve alcohol, aside from the pool bar right now. I mean, you guys decide to check in. But yeah, we're not getting alcohol this early in the morning, but I'm getting coffee. I still need that extra boost. Parang may hint of caramel and fruity notes. Gusto mo ba yung fruity notes and caramel? Marami nag-hit kay Levi sa hotel na to. Congrats, Hilton Pasay Resorts World. Gusto ni Levi dito, including your rooms. He likes it very much. He likes the layout. My favorite is this coffee and yung chicken from last night. And the pool. The pool is really nice. I give this hotel a 4 out of 5 stars. See you on my next video. I don't normally say this, but please subscribe, like this video. It helps a lot with the fucking algorithm. Just punch that notification bell, because I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to post, but don't even know I have new videos up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Brian out.